Hello there. It is Country Boy. Oh, I don't know, you see this tree in the background and you wonder like, what the hell type of tree is that? Well, that is a Christmas tree. Yeah man. So, you can guess what this video is about, right? I'll be telling you what the season is in Jamaica. But I won't be talking about the Christmas season. I'll be talking about the fruit season. So everybody, I'll be taking you on a virtual nature walk with Country Boy. And I'll be showing you the different type of fruit trees in Jamaica. Yeah man. You ready for this? Yeah? Well guess what? Roll up in, Okay, everybody. So, what is the first fruit that we'll be looking at? If y'all out there, all the male fans that are watching, if you got a girl, right? Like, what would you say that that girl is to you? Would you call her the orange of your eye? Would you call her the guinea of your eye? Or would you call her the apple of your eye? Can you guess? The apple of my eye. That's what I would call her. So yeah, the first fruit that we'll be talking about on the nature walk tour, everybody, is apples. Alright everybody, so as you can see, the first season in the summertime, June, whatever day in June it is, 2020, is apple season. And the greatest thing about these apples is when them become purple and nice. Like the one that up there, so I tell you, say, one of the juiciest thing in the world. So alright, the first thing I want to show you is how I eat a apple whenever I pick it from the tree. Alright people, Chris Gale has just dropped that catch. So yeah, anyways, I see how this apple look nice. So alright, how do I wash this up when I'm in the bush like I am now? Alright, it's simple. All you have to do, you see the top of the apple, you just bite it off. Ah, take it out to your mouth. So this is what me I gonna use to wash up my apple. You just rub it. You know, like anytime you give your face a nice face scrub. Yeah man, that's all you have to do. You just rub it, rub it, rub it. Your apple wash. Throw that away. And then you devour this piece. Mm. Mm. Ah. Mm. The apple on my eye. No, this is one of the apple on my stomach. Alright everybody, so that was my first fruit on my nature walk. So let's continue walking. Let's bounce. Let's willy bounce. Yeah. Let's wonder, what is the next fruit that we'll be looking at on this nature walk? Now, if you look to the left, all you will see is bush. And if you look to the right, all you will see is bush. And if you look closely inside the wee tucking area of this bush, you shall see my next fruit. And let's take a look to see what I'm talking about. Now, can you see the fruit? Let me zoom in just a little bit so you can see. Do you see some sort of orangish look tucked in well as a king inside a king size bed? I'm talking about myself now. Yeah, well, if you see that little orange, you know what that is? On this nature walk, that is a pineapple. Ah, told to you by Country Boy. Now, let's go for that thing, even though there's so much spikes. Jesus have mercy. Jaja. I should have put on some long pants, you know. Boy, the short shorts and now work out. Hey, 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 hey. Oi. Alright. There it is. And by the way, people, I'm aching in a lot of pain right now just to retrieve this. So yeah, my second fruit on the list, pineapple. That was the second fruit on the list. What's the third fruit on my list? The third fruit? Yeah. You probably know that one because I did a video about it last time. But anyways, I'll be showing you it again. Come on. As you can see that beautiful beast there, you remember that accent? As you can see, this beautiful beast is coming in dope. Look at my beautiful jackfruit. So yeah, man, don't worry, I will not be picking any of you today, so you don't have to worry. So yeah, this is the third fruit, jackfruit. And you need to go watch my other video if you want to know more about jackfruit. I won't be giving you any clues and ideas about how beneficial this fruit is to your system. Jackfruit is an exotic fruit grown in a tropical region. You hear me say me not give no hint? Jesus. You need to go and watch my Country Boy Jackfruit Spa Day video and you'll find out. Alright, so my third fruit was the jackfruit. Third fruit, right? Yeah. Oh, apples, pineapples, yeah. So, if the jackfruit was my third fruit, what other season could it definitely be right now here in Jamaica? I'm just gonna sing a song and then you'll pick it up. And I sing. Me no drink coffee tea. Mango time. Care how nice it may be. Mango time. And when you don't know the rest of the song, all you have to do is make up some words. Oh da 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 or hum mango time. So yeah man, the fourth fruit we'll be talking about is mango. So yeah man, it's mango time now in Jamaica and not all mangoes are ready. So you have the varieties of mangoes that you can find now is stringy, blacky, you can find East Indian, Hayden, which other name for that is belly full, because you see if you're hungry and you eat one Hayden, your belly full. Hence why they call it the bellyful mango. So yeah, I'll be showing you what the bellyful look like, even though it's green right now, and I'll be showing you what the blacky mango look like, even though it's still green. Blacky but still green. Yeah. What's everybody? So this is my Blacky 3. I mean tree, not 3. Yeah, so as you can see, it's starting to bear. You see those small little circles up in the tops. You know what those are? Blacky. Yeah, man. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to tell you about there's a mango in Jamaica called Kountry. That mango, you cannot eat Kountry and then eat jackfruit, or else it will gripe your belly. Yeah man, Country Boy told you that. So look at those beautiful blackies. Now let's move off of blackies for a second. Let's take a look at the Hayden mango. You see why I call these mangoes belly full? These are my Hayden mango. One of this, full your belly quick. Yeah man, so big up belly full. Save me from hungry, enough time. Mwah, 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 you beautiful food. Oh. So anyways everybody, I hope you had a beautiful walk with me, and I hope your legs are tired, and thank you for participating in Country Boy Nature Walk. And yeah, I'm sitting down because that walk was really tiring. I'm so breathing so heavy right now. Yes, so everybody, I hope you learned something, and thank you for watching my video. Okay, it's Kountry Boi. Thank you. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you again.